Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an Apple gift card on Clash Royale. Let's get started. Using an Apple gift card on Clash Royale is very easy to do. First, open your App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Here, tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code. After that, enter the code on your Apple gift card. You can either manually type it in or use the camera to scan the code. Once the code is redeemed, the balance will be added to your Apple ID. Next, open the Clash Royale game app on your device. Go to the in-game shop and select the item you want to purchase. When prompted for payment, choose your Apple ID balance as the method. The cost will be deducted from your gift card funds, and your chance or offer will be added instantly. Additionally, ensure that you're redeeming the gift card to the correct Apple ID associated with your device. Whenever you're managing accounts and making in-app purchases, protecting your personal information is important. For an extra layer of security on your device, consider using a trusted VPN. For reliable protection, check out NordVPN at the link in the description below.